What's up, YouTube? How are you?
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Okay, right here, as you can see, I have a Batman Beyblade. It's from one of the comments that I had from my video 2 videos ago. And as you can see, these blades here, they are really good for attack power for a Beyblade. And over here, as you can see, the blades, the blades are good for attacking, but if the outer edges are exposed, they would destroy Beyblades. So that's why I have them spaced out like this, so they'll never hit that point. And that's basically everything that is good with this Beyblade. It's like completely balanced, but I think it'll be way too big for anything. So how do you think of this Beyblade? I'm not really sure. It looks good. I think it could have done more with the blades. Yeah, whatever. Now right here I have Senor Taco, and he wanted me to make a Beyblade off him, and if you can see, he has googly eyes and cheese, and he has the meat. Remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and that's it. That's basically everything you have to do. And he asked me to make a Beyblade off of him, so actually, I'm not really sure if this design that I'm about to show you looks good, but it is good. And as you can see, there's 2 googly eyes, and the center is supposed to represent the meat, but I don't think it looks good with this. And the peppers on the side, they're facing in the counterclockwise version because this is a left spin. And if you can see these leaves, they'll do nothing with the stamina, but they're made there because when they break off, this Beyblade will gain more and more stamina. So its attack power will turn into stamina. And that's basically it. And
Even though your heart cold, ski slope, I really hope the song bringing me close.